The BAFANG BBS-HD 52V 1000W kit offers a robust mid-drive motor with a remarkable torque of 160 Nm, ensuring powerful performance on various terrains. This conversion kit is highly compatible with a wide range of bicycles, including mountain, road, and commuter bikes, although it is not suitable for carbon fiber frames or bikes with pedal brakes. It features an advanced CAN bus system that enhances current output stability and includes a dual Hall speed sensor for improved riding performance. The kit comes with a high-capacity 52-volt 20 Ampere-hour battery protected by a 30 Ampere BMS board, allowing for between 800 to 1,000 charging cycles. Users can customize their e-bike experience with a selection of displays, allowing for personalized settings and motor parameter adjustments without the need for a USB cable. The package includes a comprehensive set of components such as a 46-tooth chain wheel, brake sensors, a thumb throttle, and installation tools, ensuring a straightforward assembly process.